Okay, today we're here at Knott's Farm for the peanut celebration, and we got this huge funnel cake. It's the Lucy's Kit Kat Fingers funnel cake. So these three things are deep fried Kit Kats. And then there's a soft serve ice cream with chocolate drizzle and some green, orange, and blue sprinkles. And then the funnel cake also has powdered sugar on it. Okay. Let's see, let me cut this. You see the funnel or the Kit Kat there? Oh. That's pretty good. This funnel cake is hard to cut through. Oh, come on. Okay, let's get some ice cream too. It's gonna be a big bite. Too big of a bite. I did notice they pulled the funnel cake from a warming box. So I don't know if they are cooking these things ahead of time and then refrigerating them and then maybe putting them back in the fryer for a little bit before they put them in the warming thing, or if they're buying them frozen now. But that's how they did this one. It's still not bad. But they did do the Kit Kats right there when I was there. That's why it took a little while for me to get it. So the Kit Kat, because it has the wafers in it, it doesn't melt all the way like some of the candy bars do or the Oreos do when you deep fry them. So it's still a little crunchy on the inside. Yeah, this is a pretty good funnel cake. It's $15. So a little pricey, but you are getting the ice cream and then the 3 deep fried Kit Kats too. So let me see. I think I'm going to give this one an A. I think the deep fried Kit Kat kind of makes it. It's something they've never tried before. So there are 3 places that have the funnel cake. I think it's the inside the park. It's Sutter's funnel cake. Whoops, sorry. Log Ride funnel cake and Ghost Town Grub. But during the week, sometimes only Sutter's funnel cake is open. So when it's slow, they close down some of the restaurants that are duplicates. So that's where I got this one. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.